Merry Christmas Across the Miles, a Brass Eagle Adventure Team story. It's nice to spend time with family during this time of year, decorating the Christmas tree, sitting by the fire, drinking hot cocoa. Unfortunately, our men and women who serve in the armed forces don't get that luxury. Hey, Captain, are you here to relieve me of my post? Yes, sir, it's Christmas, so join the others and have fun. Thank you, sir, and Merry Christmas. You're welcome. Have a good time. I will. It's been really quiet up here. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, Mark. Some of us choose to spend time away from family during Christmas, but we always keep in touch. Hey guys, Merry Christmas! Hope you're having a great time. Hi, Merry Christmas! We're investigating the Mothman this week, and we're enjoying every minute of it. Glad to hear. We're still on our Bigfoot expedition. We found some hair samples this time. Sounds cool. Can't wait to see the results. You guys stay safe. Love you. Merry Christmas. Goodbye. Love you guys too. Merry Christmas. Bye. Merry Christmas to you from the entire crew at Matt's Creative Projects. Have a happy and safe one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.